This video is to help you apply the Pascal's triangle to a more advanced problem. We will use example 2 out of your book, 3x minus 2 quantity to the 5th power. First, we're going to need Pascal's triangle. So we need the 5th row of Pascal's triangle. That row is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. This will give us the coefficients to each term. Next, we're going to take our first coefficient times our a to the highest power, our b to the lowest power. Then we'll use our 5 to our a's 1 less power, our b's 1 more power. Notice that I put plus in between, addition sign between all of these. Notice that I'm putting parentheses around the negative 2's because the negative will matter. Notice how I finish this off. Notice that each one of these powers, 5 plus 0 is 5, that's the power we're looking for. 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 4 is 5, and 0 plus 5 is 5. Notice that they all add up to our 5. Next, we're going to simplify each one. Negative 2 to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Next, I'm going to do 3x to the 5th, which will give me 3 to the 5th, which is 243, and then x to the 5th. Over here, I have 3 to the 4th, which is 81. Negative 2 is still negative 2. Don't forget your x to the 4th. Notice here, 3 cubed is 27, then x cubed. Negative 2 squared is 4. Watch as I fill these out. Keeping in mind, this a and this b term does change our coefficient of our final answer. So, our final answer is 1 times 243 times 1, and then times x to the 5th. So 243 x to the 5th. I'll have a negative 2 times 81 times 5, which will give me a negative 810 x to the 4th. Next, 10 times 27 times 4 will give me 1080 x cubed. Next, 10 times 9 times negative 8 gives me negative 720x squared. 5 times 3 times 16 will give me 240x. And then I have 1 times 1 times, negative 32. I caught an error right there. Negative 32. And that'll give me negative 32. Notice that every other term is negative. And if you'll notice, look at your b term. That's the one that's negative. Negative 2 to the 0 power is a 1. Won't change the sign. Negative 2 to the first power is negative. Notice it changed the sign from a positive to a negative. Negative 2 squared is a positive, so it keeps it a positive. Negative 2 cubed is a negative, so it changed this one to negative. And then negative 2 to the 4th is a positive, and negative 2 to the 5th is a negative. Now try check 2 and check your answer with the back of the book.